Have you ever wondered why, despite spending hours with your textbooks, some board exam questions still catch you off guard? That's because traditional study methods often miss the clinical connections that really matter. Now imagine this. What if you could sit in on Harvard's most intensive medical review, where world-class physicians break down the highest yield, board-focused concepts in just 3 minutes a day? That's exactly what the Harvard 46th Annual Intensive Review of Internal Medicine 2023 delivers. This isn't just a course, it's a system. With over 150 lectures led by Harvard faculty and clinicians from top hospitals like Mass General and Brigham and Women's, this review compresses everything you need to know about cardiology, nephrology, infectious diseases, endocrinology, and more into clinically relevant, board-ready pearls. Think of it like this. Instead of memorizing endless facts, you're learning to think like an attending. You'll learn why SGLT2 inhibitors are more than glucose-lowering agents, how to distinguish rapidly progressive glomerulonephritis subtypes clinically, and when to worry about a seemingly benign arrhythmia. Each module includes high-yield PDF notes and integrated video lectures so you can study smarter, not harder. And the best part? This isn't just for internists. Whether you're in med school, pharmacy, nursing, or preparing for Step 2, Step 3, or USMLE, this course builds the foundational and clinical reasoning skills you must have. If you want the full PDF and all video lectures, you can get access right now. Just click the link in the description. Don't miss out on one of the most trusted and comprehensive reviews in medical education. Tap the link below for instant access, and if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your study group. Let's make medical learning smarter, faster, and truly clinical.